Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert delta symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert the delta symbol on your Microsoft Excel, I just going to show in this short video. So first of all, just going to open a Excel sheet here, just going to zoom in here and just click on the cell. Now you just click on the enter formula. I just using Google keyboard, so there is no insert symbol option present on the Excel mobile. So use your keyboard. I am here using Google keyboard as Gboard. So you can just click on this number section and just click on this symbol section again. You can find a lot of symbols here and you can find the perfect delta symbol here. This is how you just insert a delta symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're having any doubts about the Microsoft Excel mobile, you just comment below. I will make a video about it. It's a short video. I just make videos with a straight to the point by within a 1 minute of video content. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.